And suddenly I got a mail from Johnson. They got a picture of me and my child for their calendar. Motivated even my family feel कि हाँ कुछ तो है, like कुछ कर सकते हैं. They got to know कि हाँ Instagram कुछ है. तो after that I got second invite from that Ministry of Culture. That is also inauguration by Modi. I think जब हम इंडिया में होते हैं तो हम वो फील नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो yes, I miss every day कि I want to go back to India. Bahrain is a good city. That time we don't have my child. We both are alone there. So 2 days before, I just got to know like women's have to take part in investing in different areas. Nowadays, women have to like na.
वेलकम टू ब्रेकिंग द नॉर्म्स पॉडकास्ट. मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट सारिका भारद्वाज और आज हमारे साथ है निधि चौधरी. शी इज़ अ इन्फ्लुएंसर, लाइफस्टाइल पेरेंटिंग ब्लॉगर. वेलकम निधि.
Thank you.
So Nidhi, tell me, what is your journey being an influencer and at the same time you're a mother also. So how do you manage everything? What inspired you? How do you manage the social influence lifestyle and everything?
Yeah. It started during lockdown. I think many moms started during lockdown. We are free and we are having small kids and it's hard to handle them at the time of lockdown. So उसी टाइम पे लाइक मैंने पिक्चर्स पोस्ट करना शुरू किया, लोगों को फॉलो करना शुरू किया. तब आई गॉट टू नो लाइक इंस्टाग्राम पे भी बहुत कुछ है. मैं देख रही थी, मैंने तो कुछ भी नहीं करा. आई डोंट नो कि हाउ टू पोस्ट अ पिक्चर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, बट आवर मॉम्स आर डूइंग कैंपेन्स एंड ब्रांड कैंपेन्स ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड. So I influenced by them. I started like I love editing. So I click the picture of my child, I edit them in different ways and start posting. And my page get good response at that time. And suddenly I got a mail from Johnson. They got a picture of me and my child for their calendar, for Johnson's calendar. So it's like मैं ये सोचने लगी कि it's good or bad, I have to opt or not, what is this like. So मैंने पिक्चर उनको अपनी मेल करी and I got selected in top 24 moms. After that they select in that 24 moms, they posted their pictures on their page and by that they select 12 pictures and I got the 4th number in that calendar. So I motivated that time. I feel like I also can do that. So उस कैलेंडर के बाद लाइक सब कुछ चेंज हो गया. तब तक तो मैं सिर्फ अपनी क्या करती थी, बच्चे की पिक्चर ली, वीडियो ली और दैट पोस्ट करा, दैट्स ओके. बट जब वो कैलेंडर पे मेरा पिक्चर आया तो आई फील मोटिवेटेड. इवन माई फैमिली फील कि हाँ कुछ तो है, लाइक कुछ कर सकते हैं. दे गॉट टू नो कि हाँ इंस्टाग्राम कुछ है. तो वहाँ से जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई. उसके बाद ब्रांड कोलैबोरेशन आना स्टार्ट हुआ और I work through more than 400 brands, reputed brands, all are reputed brands, and journey goes on. After that, one day I got a mail from Ministry of India, the Ministry of Culture, and I was invited to attend some inauguration function by PM Narendra Modi, and I got shocked. What is this? How they find me and how they invited me for that event. I think it's all dream. तो मैं बहुत टाइम तक ये लगा कि इस मेल को मुझे रिस्पॉन्स करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए. मैंने सब फाइंड आउट किया ये ऑथेंटिक है या नहीं है, फेक तो नहीं है. बट देन आई गॉट टू नो नहीं, वो इवेंट था, वहाँ पे इनाग्रेशन इवेंट था जहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को उन्होंने कॉल किया था एंड वी अटेंडेड दैट. इट्स अ लाइब्रेरी इनाग्रेशन. That time to I feel like this digital creator and our creator worlds are doing something and we goes on creating our content with my baby. Brand goes on. After that I got second invite from that Ministry of Culture. That is also inauguration by Modi ji and my family is like, oh again you got to meet with the Modi ji. I said yes. So this is the Red Fort inauguration.
So you met him personally or he was there?
No. Because he is the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the security is very tight. We have all jammers in the phone and just we have a separate chairs, separate chairs there to attend the like inauguration. It is called media term. So at that column we are sitting down. They just call them so that we can take experience. They don't call us ki we have to promote them or anything else. But yes, we recorded that all event and posted on a page. Then one day I got a mail from Ministry of External Affairs. And that is ki you are invited to get a meetup with Sri Lankan and Nepal bloggers. And everyone are asking me ki how you get this mail, how you connected with the government. My answer is I don't know. How they find me, how they connected with me, I don't know. But yeah, this is a very close event, and we have the instruction to please don't post anything related to that event. We just chit chat with the Nepal bloggers, with Sri Lankan bloggers. And yes, this is the changing part in my digital creation career. And also I attended the Digital Creator Award. After that too, it was attended by more than 3,000 or 6,000, 3,000 plus bloggers are there. And everyone's point of view regarding this influencing, this digital world change after that Digital Creator Award. So yeah, it's amazing, and I am totally enjoying this digital creation journey.
Okay, and how it has affected your personal life when you have choose to be, on social media, being an influencer, and doing the parenting job also, and then putting your child also on.
Actually,
so how it affects you? How it affects your relationship with your partner, with your family?
Never ever feels like that. Ki because of my this influencing term, my any relation is affected or my parenting is affected, because I had a full support of my husband. If I'm outside the house, he will take care of my son. I don't have any maid in my house, I don't have any house help in my house. He can take time from his busy schedule to take care of my child, so that he can't be neglected because of us. So yeah, support is there. My husband's support is there. I can only give credit to him.
That is very sweet.
Also, apart from that influencing journey, earlier I was a professor in engineering college.
Wow.
I am having a 6-year experience in computer science.
Okay.
Yeah, in Modi Group, I teach 6 years.
Okay.
After that, I doing my ME in Chandigarh, from Chandigarh University. I completed my ME and got married. And after that, we are shifted to Bahrain. Lived 3 years in Bahrain. Kept my baby there. Then started this influencing journey, and then goes on.
Okay. So how was your life in Bahrain?
Bahrain is also good, but that time I realized how important is India. I think जब हम इंडिया में होते हैं तो हम वो फील नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो yes, I miss every day कि I want to go back to India. Bahrain is a good city. That time we don't have my child. We both are alone there. Our job is also very good. But yeah, we feel like we have to go back to India. And after 3 years, we just shifted back to India.
Okay. And in all of this work and blogging and influencing, how do you take care of your mental health? Because I'm sure this social media, the commenting, the trolling, all this happens. So how do you take care of it?
Yeah, sometimes like after every 3 months, I got like I have to drop this Instagram and all. क्या मैंने एक बला पाल ली है, मतलब Instagram से like I'm like fed up. ना sometimes होता है कि brands भी परेशान कर रहे हैं, या आपके जो followers हैं उनसे भी कुछ आपको ऐसे feedback मिल रहे हैं, तो it feels like नहीं बहुत हो गया, अभी मैं इसको ख़त्म करती हूँ. लेकिन अगेन फिर कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है कि I feel motivated, नहीं I have to do.
So it is an exhausting job.
Yeah, I think every job is hardworking and exhausting. If you're doing like you have to do, or if you are a hardworking person, so every work is like hardworking and exhausting.
But I think social media is more, because आपको अपना काम तो करना ही है, then you have to show your personal life also, then your child is also involved.
It depends on you कि how much percentage of your life you are showing there. It's not a real world, it's a real world. So yes, it depends on followers, and I recommend कि never ever show your 100% life on Instagram.
Okay, privacy matters.
Yeah, obviously. The recent the blogger got shot, na?
I am not aware of it.
Okay.
Tell me about your parenting style, like how do you do and how your husband helps in that, in co-parenting.
We are fighting with each other
Why?
because his perception is different and mine is different. He think I'm wrong and I think he is wrong.
But
And
how does this wrong word come between in the parenting?
because as a mother, I sometimes I have मतलब मुझे ना fear का phobia है.
What
After
kind of
becoming
fear?
mother,
What kind of fear?
everything for me and also for my child. Before I become a mom, I'm so ना like सब कुछ करने वाली, किसी से डरने नहीं वाली, वो वाली थी being a Jat girl. But after becoming a mom, I changed totally. मुझे खुद को भी डर लगता है कुछ करते हुए और एवरी टाइम आई आस्क वंदित कि प्लीज़ ये नहीं करो, लग जाएगा, ये नहीं करो. एंड माय हस्बैंड इज़ लाइक सब कुछ करो, यहाँ से गिरना है यहाँ से गिरो, वहाँ से गिरना है वहाँ से गिरो, सब कुछ करो.
किस चीज़ के लिए? फॉर द चाइल्ड?
हाँ, फॉर द चाइल्ड. सो दैट पॉइंट वी आर लाइक फाइटिंग कि नहीं ऐसे नहीं करना है. ही वॉज लाइक नहीं सब कुछ करना है, मतलब उसको ब्रेव बनना है तो वो कुछ भी करे, कहीं से भी गिरे. ही वॉज लाइक दैट.
Then how do you come to the middle point?
ही अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ मुझे भी कुछ मेरे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू भी कुछ समझ लेते हैं एंड आई ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड. एंड ही सेड कि बस ट्रस्ट करो मेरे ऊपर, जो मैं कर रहा हूँ इट्स ओके. देन आई सेड कि ओके इट्स ओके.
Okay, and all that in between influencing and all, you have to find school for your child, take out time for that. How do you manage that?
Yeah, that if we have some personal things, then we totally switch to our personal life. At the last year during the time of admission, I totally shut up my this influencing brands campaign and all, because I have to concentrate on the admissions and all. I feel because my husband is like ना कि कुछ चीज़ों में हमारा घर इज़ डिवाइडेड, लाइक कुछ चीज़ें मैं ही करूँगी, कुछ चीज़ें मेरे हस्बैंड ही करेंगे. फॉर एजुकेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ही इज़ टोटली डिपेंड ऑन मी कि लाइक कहाँ एडमिशन लेना है, कैसे पढ़ाना है, कौन सी क्लासेस करनी है. वॉज लाइक दैट. तो वो पूरा मैंने अपना जो भी इंस्टाग्राम का उस टर्म पे वो सब मैंने शट डाउन कर दिया था. एंड आई वॉज लाइक कि मुझे फॉर्म फिल करने हैं, कौन सा स्कूल अच्छा है कौन सा नहीं. तो दैट टाइम आई फिल 35 फॉर्म्स आउट देयर and he got selected in only in one school in DAV Pushpanjali. And that time I little upset ki how to get the admission in other school, but in Delhi there is a
But in early years also there is like this competition that you don't get the seat.
Yeah, if I don't get the seat in any school, then there is a lot of compensation is there. They charge a lot and you can get admission.
For early years?
Yeah.
Because my child also goes to school, but I did not face any problem like that.
You are in Gurgaon. It's a different state.
No, she studied in Delhi also.
Okay.
In pathways.
But you have to fill the form at that time, na?
Yeah. Okay.
At which standard?
Nursery.
No. If your child is not got selected, then you have to pay a good amount there. It's the criteria.
But I have no idea because I didn't face anything like that. I went and...
So yeah, that time 6 months, I just shut down the work and he got admitted in DAV Pushpanjali.
Then how do you come back? Like after 6 months you are not working, and how do you come back to social media? Like you must be missing a lot of brand collabs.
Yeah.
Events.
Many times we miss our important brand collabs are there, but like personal life is also matter. I take a balance between my personal life and Instagram, not doing the Instagram all the time and but if any important work is there, I discuss with my husband, if you can handle, I can do that. Like last week is very busy in Mother's Day campaign and Mother's Day event, and my husband's schedule is also very busy. So we like discuss each other कि जो important है वो करते हैं, उनका जो important है वो करेंगे. उस तरह से I divided my work कि मुझे क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है.
And what's your take of your in-laws and relatives or your own parents? Like you said, you were a professor, you were working, and now you are doing totally something opposite. You know, you are being in front of the camera. You have to go different.
Actually, the Instagram word changed me a lot. I'm a very introvert person. Still, I am an introvert person, but because of Instagram, day by day, I'm changing. My nature is also changing. Or like earlier, I like I am hesitating in taking pictures in public. Now I can take pictures, videos anywhere, any day, anytime. And my husband is like, please stop it, but I can take videos, pictures anywhere.
Okay, and how your in-laws respond to it, or your relatives? How do you see?
My in-laws are like, my in-laws' point of view is very clear about me. Ki she is doing good. She is doing anything she is doing is very good. She don't know about Instagram. Especially my mother-in-law, my father-in-law is expired. He is also like, that time they said कि हाँ निधि पे मुझे trust है, वो जो भी करेगी, because she is hard working. Everyone knows in my locality or my relatives, they know कि निधि is hard working. So उनको ये Instagram और ये सब नहीं पता था, but they know कि हाँ कुछ तो है, वो brand के लिए promotion करती है, कुछ video करती है. They only know that. And my mother-in-law was like, I am a super girl for her, and she also supporting me. When we are on holidays in Himachal, so many campaigns are lined up for that. So that time she was like, तू कुछ मत कर, तू बस जाओ और अपना जो भी तेरा important काम है. Every time she was like that.
So everyone is having acceptance for this kind of jobs, you know.
Even my mother and father, they are happy. Earlier my father said कि तूने PhD नहीं किया, MA किया, तो क्या कर रही है? But he's like, तू enjoy कर रही है.
But आजकल काफी लोग जो काम भी कर रहे हैं, like in police और डॉक्टर, they are on social media, like ये एक ट्रेंड बन गया है. It has become a trend कि काम करते हुए like hospital में और या बच्चे स्कूल में, you know, everyone is dancing or you know lip sync or mimic, कुछ ना कुछ everybody wants to be there. Why do you think?
Yeah, also one thing I can mention, apart from that influencing journey, there is also an online shop I'm handling. I'm also an entrepreneur, you can say. So I'm selling the sarees from all over India. I have a tie-up dealership from their manufacturers from Bengal, from Rajasthan, from Banaras. So more than 2,000 resellers are under me, and they are taking the sarees in wholesale with me. So this is also my, apart from influencing, this is also my business.
Okay, so influencing is not only your job. You have a career plan. Influencing is your career plan.
Influencing, I can do more and more in influencing. I know it's a future. There is a future in influencing world.
Okay, so what do you
This is the right time to take part. Actually, after National Creator Award, this is the right time to be an influencer.
Okay. So what advice you want to give if somebody wants, like new person wants to be influencer?
Like every now and then we see new influencers are coming. But when you saw their page, they are doing nothing. They are like copying the videos from one page and posting. So my point of view is that कि be real, be raw, and जो भी आप कर रहे हो, hard working तो हर काम में है. You have to hard work if you get some results. So this copy and all, you can't become an influencer. You can't get a good career if this habit grows in you. So if you want to be an influencer, be raw, be real.
Okay, but you think that people can be real on social media and in their personal life? There is no change.
Very few.
Very few. And what about you?
I think, I don't know what others think, but I think I'm very real and raw.
You're very real. Yeah. Okay. And what do you say your future as in like an influencer on social media only?
Many plans are there, but see what happens or what not. But yeah, I'm doing my work with full passion.
And you will encourage your child also to...
No. If he was like, Mama, I don't want to click a picture, then I'm okay. I'm not forcing him or like na कि गुस्सा कर रही हूँ कि नहीं. If he doesn't want to click a picture, I said okay.
What is your take on feminism?
I'm not like not die hard like feminism, but yeah, women are take a part in everything. I believe in that. I can do. But one thing I'm day by day I'm seeing ki like women are doing everything. They are doing office work, but they are very lack in taking investment point of view. They are not doing investment, not investing their money, but they are like giving and taking. So 2 days before, I just got to know like women's have to take part in investing in different areas. Nowadays, women have to like think about stock exchanges, like in SIPs, in PPFs, apart from their motherhood, their job, their career. They have to invest your money.
Okay.
So one thing that I want to add in women's life, they have to build up their nature like I have to invest.
Okay. So
That we don't have. Every woman don't have this nature.
I think there are women who like work in accounts and all, and they know everything.
They are doing. They
and
know
it comes as a
everything.
family planning, right? When you have a child, that you
They are doing job. They are in accounts department. They are in HR department. They have a good salary, but they are not investing.
okay. But how do you know they are not investing?
I know because I have a circle of women,
Okay.
and every point of view is
Or
like
in the circle of women you sit in,
Yeah.
social influencer.
Yeah.
So they are not.
they are not aware of that ki how to invest. Like most of the thing they know like do FDs
Okay.
or buy gold. That's
Okay.
okay with them.
And where do you get your learning?
I got to know 2 days back in the event it's organizing on Mother's Day by Bajaj broking team, and I realized we are lacking behind in this. So this session is very motivating, and we all get to know ki we have to start invest. And apart from that, everyone nowadays are like independent, and being independent woman is like a happy woman.